There are plenty of wearables that track your sleep, your recovery, and your cardio. Tensio is something different entirely. Tensio is a wearable built specifically for weightlifting. It automatically tracks reps and advanced hypertrophy metrics like time under tension and tempo.
Tensio is a dual wearable, allowing it to track both your left and right sides. This means no reps are missed and that it can identify and track left and right side asymmetries.
A wearable built for the gym needs to be able to track all kinds of exercises, and that's exactly what Tensio does.
While primarily worn on the wrist, Tensio's pods can have the attached bands easily swapped, allowing for them to be worn on the upper arm and the ankle, covering all exercises. Additionally, there is an on-bar attachment sold separately for lifters who might prefer to not wear anything.
Tensio is a wearable built for the gym, and that means you only wear it in the gym. You don't wear it all day, it's not a lifestyle wearable. It lives in your gym bag, and you put it on to lift.
That's why all Tensio purchases come with a custom gym case included.
No proper gym wearable would be complete without a full lifting app to partner with it.
The Tensio app covers everything lifters need: programming, workout history, exercise performance breakdowns, and then the live workout tracker, where you can see your whole workout logged for you in real time.
Tensio has no required subscription. Our philosophy is you own the bands, therefore you own everything they track, no extra cost.
The free tier comes with rep tracking, time under tension and tempo tracking, left and right side asymmetry breakdowns, unlimited workout history, and unlimited programming capabilities, all at $0 a month. Tensio Pro is an optional subscription that is built on top of this data, offering intelligence and advanced analytics into your workouts. Tensio Pro includes features such as proprietary workout scoring, our correlation engine, which shows how your nutrition, cardio, and metrics tracked by other wearables impact your training, fatigue analysis, and more. It also offers real-time training assistance, which includes tempo training, where the bands take an active role where you pre-program what tempo you want to hit, and then the bands will vibrate or give you auditory signals based off that tempo setting. The Tensio Pro subscription will be $15 per month. We are offering a Kickstarter exclusive Lifetime Pro package. You can add Lifetime Pro to any purchase for just $199. At $15 per month, that means it pays itself off in under 14 months. This is a package that will only be offered on Kickstarter and never again.
We are committed to bringing Tensio to life and delivering it to you. This is technology that I truly believe can change lifting forever. I believe in extreme transparency, and that's why I am accessible and will be providing constant updates throughout the entire process of the Kickstarter and manufacturing. Backing Tensio on Kickstarter not only gets you discounts and special packages, but lets you be at the forefront of the newest technology for lifting.